The Vango Sherwood 600XL is a 6-man Powerflex Fibreglass pole tent with an integrated front awning that adds additional living space. The Sherwood is part of Vango's XL collection, which features a highly waterproof and durable 150D embossed fabric, boasting a 5,000mm hydrostatic head. This is in a lovely forest green colour. The XL collection also utilises Vango's ColourLok technology, designed to increase fabric colour retention against UV light. A covered side entrance helps keep you dry from the elements, and an extended living area ensures a perfect space for socialising or storing kit. Features include king-size midnight bedrooms, giving 70cm sleeping space per person, a premium darkened fabric used in bedrooms to allow for a great and comfortable night's sleep with plenty of space. Please look at the listing to see more details on this amazing family tent.